Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can verify Facebook Business Manager account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Meta Business Manager. Make sure that your account is logged in. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page. Inside the Business Manager, go to Settings and access Security Center. You can see that I am currently not eligible. So, to verify an account, follow these steps. 1. Go to Business Manager Security Center. Click Start Verification. Note, you may have received a notification to begin verification in another platform, such as Meta Ads Manager, Commerce Manager, and the App Developer Dashboard. 2. Provide your business's details, including the legal business name, address, phone number, and website. Note: make sure that the details you submit exactly match the details of your legal business entity. Also make sure that your business's website loads and is HTTPS compliant. 3. Confirm your business's details. If no matching record is found, upload supporting document such as a business license or articles of incorporation to confirm the details you entered. 4. Choose a method to confirm your connection. A confirmation code will be sent if you choose email, phone, text message, or WhatsApp. To confirm via domain verification. Domain verification, you must have admin access to your site's web host or DNS provider. 10. When you've finished, click Done. After you've submitted your verification, a decision can be made in as little as 10 minutes and as long as 14 working days. You'll receive a notification when the review is complete. If you receive confirmation that your business is verified, there's nothing more you need to do. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.